Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Redding, CA South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. This California motel features guest rooms with expanded cable TV. Motel 6 Redding South offers an outdoor pool and is 2 miles from Turtle Bay Exploration Park. Rooms provide desks. Wi-Fi is available. Guests at Redding Motel 6 are offered laundry facilities, free local calls and a 24-hour front desk. Motel 6 is 3 miles from Waterworks Park and 6 miles from Wind River Casino and Shasta College. It is 13 miles from Lake Shasta and 19 miles from Lake Shasta Caverns. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.